Go ahead.
Yeah, so it's regarding just like refinance. So I'm like in the process of like refinancing my current property. Actually, my goal was to get some cash out so I could use that to do a little bit of remodeling.
Mhm.
But it doesn't look like like yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna be able to pull out much just based on like the appraisal. So I was wondering like if anyone has any like I guess recommendations on how to tell whether it's like worth refinancing. Like I would be saving, on like my monthly, but just like I guess different things to pay attention to, like my break even point, how much I'm saving. Anything else that you guys recommend?
Yeah, so one of the things is the break-even point of course, like how much in closing costs, like how much is your loan going to be after you've paid off. Like you want to compare what you've already paid off to how much in closing costs, because usually the closing costs are going to get added to the end, or like to the actual loan. So
Right.
you want to make sure that you know what that is, your monthly payments, and of course the duration of whatever that next, like if you've been paying off that house for the last 5 years, you're going to have of course an additional 5 years at the tail end. But it also sometimes makes sense what your goal is going to be with that property in the future, because if let's say that you're paying $1,500 as a mortgage now, but then later once you refinance it's going to be 1,300, let's say, you may not, while you're living in there, you may not really be like, oh well, it's just $200, but then later once you leave and you keep that one as a rental, it's going to show that you are making more income on paper, and then it will help with your DTI in the future as well. So you have to see it from that perspective too.